Hi, it's me, Ramay. I just went to Super Lotte because I have the coupon which I got it from church due to the Best Singer Award. In the Lotte coupon, so it is like 10,000 won. So I went to the Super Lotte Mart, bought something for about 10,000. It cost me like 11,280 won. So I pay like 1,281 extra. So now let's do the unboxing, and then let me show you how much I buy and then how much you need to pay for your basic stuff. I mean, normally the stuff inside like drinks, milk, that's all. Okay, so in Korea you need to pay like around half buck or 600 won for the plastic bag. If you don't have, it's very expensive, so I never ever take a plastic bag from them. If I forgot to bring my own bag, I just pick up the box which are free, put inside and tape it. That's what I usually do. So this milk I bought it for 2001, which is around 2 bucks. Again, it's okay, not expensive, I will say. This is the white vinegar which I like to put on salad. Here it's a white sikchu. White sikchu cost me around how much? 1500 won, $1.50. This 1 liter pack, I mean twice pack, cost me, I mean around 3000 won, 3200 won, you can say around 3.2 US dollar. And then now here are some juice bottle. Each bottle cost me 1000 won, 1 US dollar. This is from Del Monte. I really like Del Monte banana. This is, I mean, Del Monte. If you don't know, I bought this bottle, juice bottle, for my white professor because tomorrow I'm going to visit him. He got an operation in the eye, so normally I will just giving like 4 bottle. I mean, this is, I mean, mango, orange, kamyong. So yeah, sorry, I'm pronouncing it. It's called jamong, and then a grapes, podu, podu juice. In Korean we call it, and one extra which is for me. Of course, I need to drink, right? I really like grapefruit juice. So I mean, living in Korea not expensive. If you're coming from USA, one of the developed country, if you're coming from the developing country like South Asia, Thailand, Malaysia, it is freaking expensive to live in Korea. This was a quick video of everyday stuff which you will usually be buying here to give you an idea. So now subscribe to my channel because I'm your travel guru. It's me. Bye bye.